Tell her walk, blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kate and over here we do beauty related content, and if you like the sound of that, please be sure to subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about this wig. So I was kindly sent over this wig from Junoda hair. This is another one of those wear and go wigs, and if you can believe it or not, this is a glueless install. What? So this is one of those air wigs. It's a glueless wig, a wear and go wig. And if you want to know how I got this wig to look like this, how I got this install, how I got it to look so seamless, please keep on watching. So first of all, let's do a little unboxing. This is the box here. It's white and gold, kind of cute. And what is this? Ah, a bonnet. I love me a bonnet, and it's nice all black. Okay. Got a nice little silk bag for the wig. I will be utilizing this. And a bag of goodies. These lashes are actually kind of cute. I still won't be wearing them because they're a bit too synthetic, but they're pretty. A bling clip, melting band, and a little leaflet thing, and an edge brush. So I've already taken the wig out of the pack because even though the knots were already bleached, I wanted to give them a little bit more of a bleach because they weren't bleached enough for me. So I bleached the knots and I've also styled the hair. It's very pretty. The curls are, the curls have been in for like over an hour and they're still like, they look like I just did them. So that is one point at least for it being able to hold a curl. As you can see, the lace is already cut. It looks really good. And I didn't pluck it. It's already pre-plucked, and I think the plucking is okay. So I didn't pluck it, and we're gonna go ahead and install it now. So I've already got my wig cap on. I've put a bit of powder on it to kind of match my skin tone. And I don't know if I should tint this. I think I'm just gonna put a bit of makeup on it, and that's gonna be that. Oh yes, and inside it's got that air wig kind of construction. So it's got a bit of silicone here to prevent slipping. It's got a band. I love a band. And it's also got this air wig construction, so it's got kind of holes in there so your wig can breathe, so your scalp can breathe. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of glueless wigs because, you know, my head shape does not allow wigs to just stay secure in my head. It kind of just falls off. But this is actually, it's actually pretty ready to wear, I'm not gonna lie, especially after styling. I'm just gonna like kind of brush the curls out to loosen them a bit. This actually looks very, very good. I'm just gonna put a bit of serum in it. The one thing is, you might be thinking I cut layers into this wig, but I did not cut any layers. The closure part came like shorter. It's like about 16 inches, and I don't know if that was to give it like a pre-layered look or if it was just that the closure is short. I mean, I don't necessarily mind it because I usually layer my wigs anyway, but it is a little bit weird, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit. But it does look really nice though, so I don't know, I can't really fault it too much. The lace looks really good. The only thing is it's a bit white, so I'm gonna put my bronzer on it to try and tone it down a little bit. So when you're trying to tint the lace of your wig, you don't want to use something that is exactly your skin tone or else it won't melt in. You want to use something that's a little bit darker, just a few shades darker. That's why I use my cream bronzer, because it's only a few shades darker than my skin. And I'm just going to take that on like a dense fluffy brush and just melt that in. I don't know if you can see the difference between this side and this side, but this side is considerably more melted. I'm just going to do it to the other side as well. So now, even though the wig is glueless and it's going to remain glueless, I'm going to put a bit of mousse on the lace just to melt it into my head a little bit more. It's not going to make it stick to my head, nothing like that. It's not going to secure it. It's just going to make it shape to my head, because as you can see, like, it's a little bit, like, it looks good, but some of the parts are like lifting off my scalp, so that's just going to shape it to my scalp, you know? I'm not using anything fancy. This is just super drug brand. I'm just taking a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with the melting band. I'm just gonna go off, do my makeup, and then I'll come back with a full beat, and then we'll take the melting band off and see what it's saying. So this is the finished look. It looks really, really good. I wish I did like more of a loose curl when I was styling it, but I think it still looks really good. The curls in the front are like holding on. I used a hot comb to try and press this down because I felt like it was too curly in the face, so kind of straightened the front bits out. But yes, I really, really like it. One thing about this hair is the lace. The lace is amazing. I love the luster and I love the density on the closure, because sometimes the closures are extremely thin and I don't like that. But this closure is actually like pretty thick. But yeah, I really, really like today's look. So once again, this wig is from Junoda Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but I have it on screen. It will be in the title of this video. It will be in the description box. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. So this is the finished look, and I'd love to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time.